What's up, YouTube?
This is episode number 10, homemade pontoon boat. We're back at the river, and I've made a few changes. I've got a spotlight. If we're out after dark, we're going to look for gators. This hooks directly to your battery. I'm going to clamp this down, or we'll hold it, whatever. I've got some running lights. I found this for $1 at a yard sale. Drilled a hole, screwed this on. These two wires go straight to your battery. In the back, where the water dam was slowing me down, I've got some plywood. Here, let me show you that. There's plywood straight down in this hole. If we look underneath, that way we can glide over the water. Instead of the water getting caught by these two 2x4, now we can glide over. Maybe even get on a plane. And so up next, I got to hook up the gas line here. I took out the tire cap and put in an AR-15 shell. There's a little hole drilled in it. I think that's it. We got to get it off the boat. We got to get it off the trailer.
I want to do that thing.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
Back at the river with the Titanic.
The Titanic. What if you're at Titanic?
That's not a good name for it. So right here in the live well, we're testing it with squash. I've not been fishing yet, but the squash look good in there. These are ones that from the garden. They were too big to eat. They float too. They let you know which way the current's going.
Oh, we got this hairless cat.
Where?
Right there.
Go, Dad's recording.
This is catch and release.
Where's Scarlet?
Stop.
I don't know if you're hairless cat. You're get it.
4 more. I'll save those.
The blue floaty. The blue noodle.
Oh, and one more thing. Here's your blue floaty noodle.
Yay, hot dog.
Over in this one, the last time I went mudding on the mower, the clothes were too dirty to put in the washing machine. So I brought them to the river. I'm going to wash them up here
Dad, I just saved the squad.
Pass him down.
the old-fashioned way.
Why you guys say
Ask me a question.
what do you
Oh, and don't worry, we've got cookies and some bottled water.
What way?
Need help? The Jeep sure is clean. The John Deere sure is clean. The drone's trying to fall off into the water. Put it in the safe bucket. The jeans are clean. Put them back in the live well. And shut the lid. Here's your one.
Time to get it. My squad.
Here's your one.
Squad, you want one? Squad, yeah, squad. I dropped my whole line.
lights. I got lights on my boat now. Not just running lights, but party lights. Little baby snapping turtle in there. What's your name? Shout out.
Caleb Williams.
What's your channel?
Oh, I have a channel.
Oh, you have a channel? Oh, Caleb Williams then.
Run! Oh my God.
Oh boy.
No!